All right, so Bitcoin has climbed to 67,000 and apparently some of you guys who follow my channel shared with me an old video where I said it's not going to go up. Okay, I'll give my response to this. Plus, I'll give my response to some of the clowns who send me messages. Okay, first I'll tell you what are the messages I received. One, Bitcoin passionate, enthusiastic follower of Bitcoin. He sent me a message late night yesterday. Hey, you have to apologize. He's telling me I have to apologize on my channel that I misled people into not believing about Bitcoin. Okay, very passionately. He gave me a long paragraph and then subsequently deleted. Gave me a couple of bad words also here and there, which is normal. Then obviously on my YouTube channel, people are like ha 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 ha, LOL and laughing emoji. Look who is laughing now. And some others were like FU, they put FU. I made $10,000. Now what do you have to say for that? Okay, fine. I read all this. I just left the message. You'll get a response. That is today. So now I'll give my response. Okay. Now before anything else, let me tell you, I have 2 or 3 regular clients, two very regular, one semi-regular clients who pay me every week. One pays every 3 days to take consulting sessions for branding, not for Bitcoin, not for cryptocurrency. And yes, I make it a point to ask them about investments, cryptocurrency, because I do not know. They have been in the game for 10 years, 8 years, I don't know, starting from Bitcoin. I think when Bitcoin price was 900 or something. Okay. And yes, once a while I do get enthusiasts who tell me about new coins and new tokens and partnerships, and which I refuse. Okay, so I ask them. Now here's the funny thing, okay. These clients of mine, they earn much more than you clowns earn. Like, for example, the guy who put, I made $10,000, ha ha ha. I made $10,000. Okay, see, here's the thing. You made $10,000, what, every month? Did you make $10,000 every week? Or did you make $10,000 like you encashed right now? It was, let's say, it was $57,000. When it became 67, you sold your 1 Bitcoin. Okay, was it that? Or is it like you invested at $57,000 and now it's at 67 and it's left there? What is it? Now, let me give you an FYI. If I get a basic personal branding client, it's $10,000. Okay, if I get one client. So I don't know what is so impressive about $10,000. Now, if you made $10,000, I'm happy for you. I'm sincerely happy. Great. You took a risk, you reap the reward. But now, when is the next $10,000? Is it $10,000 every month? Or is it $10,000 you made? Now you have to wait when the price will come down and then you'll invest again. Or will you just dump all the investment again? Fine, if it goes down now from 67, it goes to 30, everyone will jump and buy, I'm sure. They will buy at 30,000 and then they'll wait for it to go 60 or 70 or whatever, and then they'll encash. Or they will leave it there, wait for it to crash again. Okay. Now, my first, whenever anyone chats with me or talks to me and they say, Bitcoin went up. Even in my group, I have a cryptocurrency investment group. I have a group on WhatsApp. And people are, oh, you know, it went to 67. So then I asked them, so what? So, just so, question mark. Law, it has gone to 67,000. So, are you plan to invest? No. Are you plan to invest? Yeah, a little bit here and there. Okay. So then what? Law, it's going to go higher. Yeah, so you invest, no? You invest. I'm not saying don't invest. Invest. It's your money. It's your risk. And some people believe Bitcoin will always go up. It'll go down, but it'll always go up. So good, please invest your money. I'm not giving you financial advice. You want to believe in Bitcoin, go ahead. You want to believe in any cryptocurrency. But now here's the question. Why do you have to show off? Why do you have to tell everyone, hey, look, my balls are big. Hey, look, my balls are big. You want to touch my balls? Look at my balls, man. You know, see, the thing is, there is nothing as guaranteed investments. Unless, of course, it's a slow fixed deposit or a government bond or something that goes slowly, progressively. Quick, making fast money is a rare occurrence. Now, for those of you who have made Bitcoin, great, man, fantastic. It's your money, you did it. Now the question is, what's next? Many speculate it's going to go 100,000, which this year I absolutely don't believe it's going to go 100,000 or 500,000. Okay, I don't believe. Can be wrong. Mark this video and let me know December 31st. Did it go 100,000? Okay, I don't think it's going to go 100,000. Okay, now there are people who even predict it'll go 500,000, 1 million or 10 million per Bitcoin. Okay, now let's assume it goes to 10 million. Now if you have invested, you're a millionaire. Congratulations, fantastic. You can brag about it under my comment section and feel good, and the whole world will, wow. Okay. Now, if in case it goes there, you have made your money, you can retire. Congratulations. But now here's my next question. You have made the money. Why are you seeking social validation? Like, for example, when I make money, okay, number one is nobody knows how much money I'm making. That's number one. Number two is, even if I make a big client, I don't go around, hey, fuck you, hey, look, I made. No. In fact, my client, this is my actual client. He is not into cryptocurrency. He has investments. His father's business. I asked him, he's a friend of mine, many years. His father makes $100,000 per day. His father's a multimillionaire. He makes $100,000 per day, around 3 million roughly per month, and you could say around 39 or 40 million dollars annually. Rich guy, very rich. He's not my client, friend. Now, the funny thing is, his father doesn't have social media. He doesn't like social media. He's old school. Doesn't like. He has businesses. His son has a social media account, but it is restricted to the point where only known people. Okay. I've never seen him not even show his car. They have some holiday photographs. Now, can you explain to me why is it he's not showing off and bragging? Hey, I made so much money, man. Hey, look, man, fuck, I put in this investment. How much money I made? Why do you think he's not bragging? Because a person who is rich, a person who has made money in their life, doesn't need to go around telling the whole world, hey, I'm rich. Hey. You know, if you are really rich and successful, you wouldn't feel the need to comment below my video, hey, I made money. If you are really a rich person, you'll value your time. Like, for example, me, I never go around other people's YouTube channels and say, hey, I have more subscribers than you. You know, somebody who has lesser subscribers than me, I don't even go to their channel. Even if a guy has, like today, this morning, when I was sitting and checking the emails from my customers, in my group, this one young boy, he's 17, he's part of my group. He's a nice guy. He sent me a video about Mo Vlogs, one famous YouTuber in UAE, who has 10 million subscribers. He and his sister, they put all sexy stuff and, you know, attention-grabbing entertainment stuff. Now, he sent me about them. See, Loy, they are making so much money. They have expensive cars. I'm like, that is not my kind of content. And if they are making money, good for them. I have other things to do. I'm doing my work. Right now, I'm doing my work. I'm busy with my work. You know, people who really have to make money, they're not fucking bothered about all this shit. Now, let me ask you, for those who believe in Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, 60,000. Let's assume goes 100,000. You made money one time, or you made money every month or whatever. Fine. Then what's next? Are you going to keep making money? Is Bitcoin going to go up and down, guaranteed every month, or is it like every 6 months? Or, well, let me give you a news flash. There are people making money every month without having to look at the charts and wait and hope. Second is, there are people who have invested a little bit in Bitcoin, but there are plenty of other investments. Bitcoin is not the only investment in the world. In fact, I don't consider it investment. I consider it absolute speculation, a fraud. Okay, it was meant to be something else. It was created as an alternative currency, but today that currency talk has disappeared, and now it's become this garbage speculation, a game. Now, I know what you'll say next. It's going to be adopted by countries. Let's see now which country. This country, what Paraguay or whatever. Can't even get the name. This country adopted Bitcoin. What happened? What happened? Did it change anything? The country adopted the Bitcoin. What happened? Now, here's my question. Do you think US is going to adopt it as its currency? Do you think Russia will? Which country? Maybe they'll say, okay, fine, you can invest in cryptocurrencies. Price will go a little up, you'll make a little money. And it's like a guy who is of a particular religion. Suddenly they find out, okay, this singer or this dancer or this boxer converted to their religion. Oh, see. So, you know that female, what's her name? She was the girlfriend of Mohammed bin Salman, a druggie man. That female blonde, she converted to Islam. All the Muslims, oh, Allah Akbar, oh, Subhanallah. Then what happened? Finished? Sinead O'Connor embraced Islam. And what happened? Okay, there are many Muslims who left their religion, became atheist. So do you want me to start celebrating, yay, atheism? What? Bitcoin is nothing but a speculative asset. Okay? I call it asset very loosely. It has not been recognized by any government. Governments are trying to capitalize on the fact that people are investing their money. So come, invest your money here. Okay? For those who do not want to pay taxes, this is a very nice way of, the loopholes. Smart investors don't put all their eggs in one basket. These idiots who comment below my videos, hey, I made 5,000. It's so funny, man. It's like, what, you made 5,000 first time in your life or what? 10,000 first time in your life? What are you making every month, man? Through Bitcoin, what are you making every month? Through cryptocurrencies, what are you making every month? If you deal with people like I deal, I've had the honor and privilege of dealing with both as on a friendly basis as well as service provider. People who are millionaires, filthy rich. I can tell you this much. They don't act like this. They don't go around, hey, see, I made money. Hey, I made $10,000. For them, $10,000 chump change, man. And then once a while you get these fake accounts. I made $100,000 on Bitcoin. Good for you, man. My client who is, I'm in touch with him. He has made more than 100 million cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin. He was one of the early investors. Means he put his money when it was really cheap. 100 million. He withdrew major part of it, and now he has few investments here and there scattered, and he lives under the radar. He doesn't want to pay taxes. I have not seen his face. I only chat with him. Just imagine. I don't know even his real name. Seriously, I don't even know his real name. But he's in touch with me. And how do I know he has made that kind of money? Because of the fees he pays me. He doesn't argue, how much is it for 15 minutes? How much is it 1 hour? Pays. Even if I charge him more, but obviously he's not dumb, so I don't take advantage. He pays. Plus he has paid money for my content, and here, this is a donation. Unless you have a lot of money. And he's in his 30s. He is hardly in his 30s. He's retired. Late 30s. He's retired. He doesn't want to do anything. I've never seen or heard him brag. So bottom line, what I'm trying to tell you is, see, if you're making money, why do you think I've stopped making videos of Bitcoin? It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Now, the question is, Lloyd, do you admit you're wrong? Well, when Bitcoin was down, and that time my prediction was correct, that time you kept quiet. Now when it went up, oh, now you're wrong. Now when it goes down again, I'm right, you're wrong. So just like if I tell you, what is the time? I ask you, what is the time on the clock? You'll say 4:05. I can show you the clock now and say, no, you're wrong. But then when it becomes 4:05, you can say, see, I'm right. So twice a day you will be right on a clock. In the same way with Bitcoin, when it goes down, I'm right. When it goes up, you're right. So what? Are you so jobless? The people who have to make money, the whales, people who have to make money, they will play the market left, right and center, and they will mint billions. If you are smart, you'll make some money quietly. The ones who have to brag and talk and all that, they will go to all the other, hey, see my balls are big. Today I have 44,000 subscribers. Nothing great. You think, just imagine how would it look like if I go to someone with 1,000 subscribers. Hey, fuck you, I have 44,000. Ha 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 ha. Hey, you have 30,000, I have 44,000. Oh, you got only, what? 500 views. I got 800 views or 8,000 views. I mean, you have to be a real petty-minded individual. You have to really be insecure to seek such validation. Let me just burst your bubble and tell you, there are rich people on this planet who have not invested in Bitcoin, okay, or any cryptocurrency. At the same time, there are some who have invested. But the ones who are making money don't go around bragging, and that also on social media, and that also through fake accounts, and that also on YouTube, Facebook. Oh, I made money. Oh, I'm so rich. A person who really has to make money will be busy making money and will be quiet. You don't have time for all this bullshit, man. Cartoons, man, each one of you. Okay, it went 67. Okay, it went to 1 million. So you're a millionaire? If you're a millionaire, congrats, man. Great. Now go brag. Tell some other people, hey, look. Bitcoin 1 million. I made 1 million. Hey, 1 million. Hey, you, hey. What? Do you stand on the streets and hey, hello? I made 1 million. Hey. People, who the fuck cares, man? Made a million. Good for you. Do you make your million every month? Every week? Every hour? Bitcoin went 67,000. Now when it goes down, then you will keep quiet. Then you'll be bored for a couple of days, then weeks, then months, and then you'll not say anything. Then when it goes up, hey, yeah, fuck you, yeah, it went up, hey. Bitcoin, you guys are bored, man. Seriously bored. Continue seeking your validation and telling the whole world about it. 67, whatever. Put your money, please. It's your money, your risk. I'm not giving any. I don't know any damn thing about this Bitcoin, and I'm not interested to know. I know what you'll say. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? Oh, what are you? Are you the authority? How many people are following you? How many people subscribe to you, your blog, or pay you money for consulting? Anyone pays you? You have some bloody piddly $10,000 or $60,000 invested in Bitcoin. Man, there are people with much more money than you, boss. And what you're making per month, or you made, whatever you made, how do you know I've not made even more than that? Do I go around bragging? Grow up, man. For me, Bitcoin is still shit. I consider it absolute shit. For those who want to put money, put. It's your hard-earned money. For me, Bitcoin is... It came out with good intentions of being an alternative form of payment. Today, it's nothing but speculation and a gamble. And for those who have a risk appetite for it, congrats to you. There are so many other coins which people talk to me about, want to advertise, but I don't entertain this. So go ahead, invest, all the best. I look forward for one Bitcoin equal, what? 10 million, 100 million, something, no? One coin is 1 million. Yeah. Let's look forward to that. Or maybe 500,000. Just, you have my details, no? Keep me updated. Or 100,000. Sure, you must be dying. 100,000. Put your money. Let's wait for it. Okay? Remember, not giving financial advice. Your money, your... All the best. By the way, what happened to those other coins? Tit coin and Cum coin. What happened to all those? Keep me updated with that also. Shibu coin, what? Doge coin, Doggy coin. What happened to that? Okay. Oh, you need to have investment baskets. It has to be in a cryptocurrency wallet. Sophisticated terms. All uneducated bums. You just put a little money, become experts. Hide behind your fake accounts, huh? Fake accounts. Oh, I have this company dealing crypto. Okay. Alright, guys. And yeah. Oh, he's a boomer and what? Oh, it must hurt so much. Oh, it hurts so much. Oh, it hurts so much that I didn't invest. I couldn't make 1 million like you. Okay. I'm happy I make money with my clients. What you make per transaction once in, I don't know, I make every week. I'm happy. Okay. Thank you, sir. Take care. Keep me posted. Put your comments down below.